Opening week ng regular season, Lakers against the defending champion Denver Nuggets. The 38 years old LeBron James entering his 21st NBA season. Ito na kaya magiging huling season ni LBJ if makuha nilang kampyonato this season. Anthony Davis entering his 12th NBA season. And Nikola Jokic, the two-time MVP. Jared Vanderbilt hindi kasama sa lineup ng Lakers ngayon due to his injury mula nung unang laro niya sa preseason game. Taurean Prince ang magiging kapalit sa starting 5 kasama sila LeBron, AD, Russell, and Austin Reeves. First 2 points in the first quarter galing sa dunk ni Davis. Agad naman bumawi ang MVP na si Nikola Jokic. Points in the paint but their second attempt by Joker butata inabot kay Davis. Taurean Prince agad naman bumukol ng tres and Jamal Murray walang takot na sinugod sa ilalim si LeBron and AD at samahan mo pa ng tres easy 5 points agad kay Murray. LBJ bumabanat pa rin sa takbuhan, drive to the basket, walang makapigil pag naka-attack mode si LeBron James. Half-court pass ni Gordon papunta kay Joker, sinugod agad ang depensa ni LeBron and Davis, may kasama pang foul. Sisi ngayon ng Lakers, agad binitawan si KCP nung nanalo sila ng championship year 2020. Ang laki ng contribution sa Denver pagdating sa perimeter shooting, maaasahan mo talaga. End of first quarter, humabol pa ng 3 si Jackson. 10 points lead by Denver. Start of second quarter, dating Dallas player Christian Wood in attacking defense sa ilalim, easy 2 points. And Jamal Murray umatake sa ilalim pero pasa lang pala yun kay Jackson. Bagsak si LeBron, easy 3 points. LeBron frustrated, bumawi agad sa kalaban, umatake sa ring tatlong player ng Denver, pinasabay. Back-to-back drive para kay LeBron James, easy 4 points. The Joker gumalaw na sa ilalim, back-to-back points inside the paint, hirap si Davis at LBJ, kinain ng depensa ni Davis sa ilalim. After inside the paint, outside naman nakakita ng gilas, taas ng shooting percentage, hirap pa rin ng Lakers makahabol. Davis gusto rin patunayan kay Joker na kaya niyang sumugod sa ilalim, binigyan agad ng scoop shot, back-to-back points sa ilalim, hindi nakapalag ang depensa ni Gordon and Joker. Another amazing drive by Jamal Murray, this time inatake naman ng depensa ni Davis, may kasama pang foul, bagsak. Start of third quarter, napatime out agad ang Denver, ayaw pumayag na makakuha ng momentum ang Lakers. 4 points galing kay Prince and Austin Reeves. Good start for Lakers. Baba ang kalamangan sa 5. But after timeout, agad naman bumawi si Jamal Murray. Pinasabay this time si The King. May paporma pang nalalaman. Inside the paint and outside shooting. Grabe ang taas ng kumpiyansa. Balik ulit sa double digits ang kalamangan, walang magawa si LeBron. Alley-oop to Aaron Gordon, muntika na ma-posterize si LBJ, kaso LeBron napaangal sa referee, kumapit sa ring kaya pala ang taas ng lipad. Sakit sa mata ng Lakers, si KCP may 16 points na outside shooting, pumapasok pa rin. End of third quarter, opensa ng Denver, pinangunahan nila Nikola Jokic with 22 points, Jamal Murray 16 points, D'Angelo Russell hindi pa rin pumuputok ang outside shooting, pinagsabihan nata ni LeBron na kailangan niyang umisko. Joker, nice assist to Christian Brown in attacking and defense ni Christian Wood, walang takot. Quick assist by LeBron, solid tandem, 3 points by Prince galing kay The King. Austin Reeves nakakuha ng 4 na taong extension sa kontrata sa Lakers, buwis buhay na kung makahabol sa bola. Kahit anong abante ng Lakers, hirap talaga mainit ang outside shooting ng defending champion.